In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Calendly account step by step. If you want an easy way to schedule meetings, avoid back and forth emails, and let people book time with you automatically, Calendly is a great tool to get started with. First, visit the official website of Calendly and click the Sign Up or Get Started button. Next, choose how you want to create your account. You can sign up using your Google account, Microsoft account, or an email address. If you sign up with email, check your inbox and verify your account by clicking the confirmation link. Once you're logged in, Calendly will guide you through the initial setup process. The next step is connecting your calendar. Go to the Calendar Sync section and connect your Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or another supported calendar service. This is important because Calendly checks your calendar availability and prevents double bookings automatically. After connecting your calendar, set your availability. Go to the Availability section and choose the days and hours when you're available for meetings. For example, you can set your schedule from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and block out lunch breaks or personal time if needed. Now it's time to create your first event type. Event types are the meeting options people can book. You might create a 15-minute introductory call, a 30-minute meeting, or a 60-minute consultation. Choose the meeting duration, location, and how the meeting will take place, such as a phone call, video meeting, or in-person appointment. Next, customize your profile. Add your name, profile photo, and update your personal booking link so it's easy for people to recognize and remember. Once everything is set up, copy your Calendly booking link and share it with clients, customers, or team members. Before finishing, open the link in a private browser window and make a test booking to ensure everything works correctly. This lets you experience the booking process exactly as your invitees will see it. And that's it. You've successfully created a Calendly account and set up your scheduling system for online bookings. And that's how you create a Calendly account. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.